Hello, good morning everyone. So, ang aga-aga, no? At welcome sa ating YouTube channel. Ang aga-aga ng itong mga ing-ing na to, no? Meron kasing mga nagsabi, may chatting kami kagabi tungkol sa pre-tuition or tinatawag natin na Universal Access to Quality Tertiary Education Act. So, that is a designated as a Republic Act 10931. Okay? So ano nga ba itong Universal Act? Meron kasing ang napag-usapan kasi namin kagabi, itong kanino ba ito i-credit? Sino ba talaga ang gumawa nito? Kanino ba talaga ito ibibigay? Okay? So, the Senate Bill sa 1304 sa or the Pre-Higher Education for All Acts, no? Anyway, I am a public administration too. Okay, so hoping we'll continue our studies. So was approved, no? Ang House Bill, the Senate Bill, sorry, na number 1 at 1304 or the Pre-Higher Education for All Act was approved with 18 affirmatives votes. Ibig sabihin, no negative votes and no abstention. Klaro? Okay. So, ang the bill, muna ni, no? Meron kayo sa tinatawag na what's so called this principal author and principal sponsored. Ngayon, ang pagkaiba nitong dalawa, ano? At ano ang kaibahan ng mga ginagawa ng dalawang ito? So, dapat ito maintindihan. Kasi kapag hindi mo yan tinignan sino ang author at sino ang sponsored, hindi mo malalaman kung kanino talaga to. Okay? So, ngayon, sa totoo niyan, no, honestly, sa pagkasabi, the bill was, what's it called this, sponsored and authored by Senator Bam. And also, former chairman ata si former chairman of the Senate Committee on Education, Arts and Culture apart from Aquino. So the bill was co-authored by Senate President Pro Tempore Senator Ralph Recto. Okay, so ibig sabihin lang silang dalawa, no? But the ano dito is si Mr. Ralph Recto. And co-authored by Ralph Recto along with the senators like sina Sori Angara, Laila de Lima, Win Gatchalian, J.B. Ejercito, Gordon, Loren Legarda, Kiko Pangilinan, Cynthia Villar, Joel Villanueva, and Mig Zubiri. Alam nyo, ito ang trabaho ng principal author, siya yung nagkaisip, siya yung nagsulat, siya yung nagdraft, siya yung, sa kanya yung vision. Nakikita niya kapag ginawa ko ang batas na ito, magiging maganda to sa sambayan ng Pilipino. Yun ang ginagawa ng principal author. Okay? Ito, ano naman ginagawa ng principal sponsored? Siya yung magpakilala sa legislative body. So, sa legislative body, dadalhin niya ni principal sponsor doon ang batas, ipakilala, defend for it, he fight for it, until from the first reading until the last, until the bill was approved. Okay? Is approved, sorry. So, that's why ganun ang ginagawa ng mga principal sponsor. They will fight for it, they will defend for it until maging approve yung bill na yan. Okay? So, sino yung nabanggit ko kanina? Marami. Okay? Okay. So, ngayon, ito sila, Ejercito, Angara, Legarda, Villanueva, Gatchalian, Zubiri, also serve as the bill co-sponsored during the deliberations of the Senate. So kasi ang Senate ay ang legislative body, may tinatawag tayo na lower and upper house. So the upper house is the Senate and the lower house is the House of Representatives. Kailangan yan doon dalhin. Kailangan i-deliberate yan doon. Kailangan yan ipaglaban yan ng mga principal sponsored na yan. And Bam Aquino is the author and sponsored. principal author and principal sponsor of this bill. And also, Ralph Recto and other Senate. Now, kanino nga ba ito ikikredit? And until was signed by former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Kahit pa anong akala nila hindi ito mabatas kasi you are a part of a administration. But you know, ang thinking ni PRRD is hindi siya tumitingin ng mga political kasi ang para sa kanya, as long as makabuti ito, kasi you know, is 40 billion ang mawala sa gobyerno. Ang laki nun. Mangangamba talaga ang DBM dyan, ang NEDA, ang DOF. Mangangamba yan sila because mauubusan ka talaga ng pera, 40 billion mawawala. But you know, PRRD was signed the law para sa lahat ng mga Pilipino. Okay? Now, kanino ba tayo i-credit? Diba? Ngayon, alam nyo na sino yung sponsored and author. Kanino to i-credit? Ang tanong, nothing. Narinig mo sinabi ko, wala. Nothing. That is your job. That is their job. No? Mga sambayan ng Pilipino, we pay taxes for them for amount of money to give them to a salary. That is their job. Pursuant to the order of their oath that they will provide a better life for all Filipinos. That is your job. Hindi pwedeng dahil kay President Duterte yan. No. Dahil kay Recto yan. No. Dahil kay Bam yan. No. Do not credit that to alone. No? Huwag niyong sabihin na sa'yo lang yan. Kasi yan ay para sa sambayan ng Pilipino. That is your job. You know, kasi yung all the public servants is our, kumbaga, yung mga public servants na yan, pinapasahod natin sila to make our life better. That is their job. Okay, so accept public servant all. No? Kaya kapag ikaw nasa public servant ka, even though ikaw ang pinakamataas na posisyon, kami ang nagluklok sa iyo dyan, taong bayan. So that's why you need to abide to the order pursuant of your oath to provide a better life for the Filipino people. So, trabaho nila yan. No? Walang dapat i-credit yan na kay Bam yan, kay Recto yan, sa mga co-sponsored yan, nila Gatchal yan, etc. Wala. Okay? So, walang dapat i-credit yan. No? Kung meron man sa kanila lahat yon, hindi lang isang tao na magsasabing sa kanya yan. Okay? But you know, meron naman itong mga co-sponsored, is very crucial part sa kanila ginagawa because they depend for it, they fight for it in the Senate, in the Congress until so yun. So walang dapat i-credit kanino yun. Walang dapat kanino sabihin na natin walang dapat mag-angkin dahil para yun sa mga sambayan ng Pilipino. God bless everyone.